Dog experiments.
Some scientists decided to do the following experiments on a dog. For the first experiment, they cut off one of the dog's legs. Then they told the dog to walk. The dog got up and walked, so they learned that a dog could walk with just 3 legs. For the second experiment, they cut off a second leg. Then they told the dog once more to walk. The dog was still able to walk with only 2 legs. For the third experiment, they cut off yet another leg from the dog, and once more they told the dog to walk. However, the dog wasn't able to walk with only 1 leg. As a result of these experiments, the scientists wrote in their final report that the dog had lost its hearing after having 3 legs cut off.